So what is going on YouTube? And welcome to another video in which we're gonna start off with the explanation and a little bit of code as well for how all this stuff works, all of this, right? Because well, it's hello world is over and here we are again. So what we have is initially when you start working with something, you're going to have something like this and not even an animated view, a simple view, right? So if I save this, we have a nice little ball right here. But still nothing happens when I click this because I removed all the animation and stuff. So what essentially is the concept for animations in React Native is that first of all, you need a value, right? So value could be anything like 1 2 3 4 5 6. And what should happen essentially is that this value should probably transform into some other value, right? So in most of the cases, for example, if you want to move an object from x0, y0 to xi/yi coordinate on the screen, you want a smooth transition of the point. For example, from 00 to let's say 150 on the screen, right? So what's React is going to do is if you move it in a linear fashion, it's going to, for example, interpolate all the stuff from all the way from 00. Then he'll probably go to, I don't know, 10. 5 maybe, and then he'll go to 150, right? So maybe the linear interpolation is strong here. And I strongly believe that it is because this looks too easy. But anyway, you get the idea. So you're going to specify where the point is, where the thing is right now on the screen, and where you want it to move, and React is under the hood, going to create all those interpolations and stuff, and let the original operating system or let the JavaScript thread manage the animation for you, right? So this is a declarative way you just said what needs to be happened, not how it should happen, right? So yeah, that's the basic concept for animations and React Native. And what we have in here is for animations, we have something known as an animated value, right? So an animated value accepts a number like 5 or 10, but it is not really the same as a number 5 for number 10. And I will tell you why when we have a dedicated video on animated.value, what it is and how it works, which is probably going to be the next one. So you really want to stick around. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you would get a nice little taste of what animations are in React Native and what is the ideology. You get a bunch of values and you animate them from one particular value to another value, and then you have some views which can act on those values and then update their state in their internal state. So that's the broader concept. I would say that goes a lot into the depth of this as well. But more or less this is what we have on the plate. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you then in the next one really soon.